Hello guys, DJ Aaron here. I am installing Windows 8 Pro on this HP. So yeah, we're going to see if we could run Windows 8 on this machine. See if it will run it really well. Right now it is copying Windows files. If this can run Windows 8 flawlessly, then I don't think we'll have any issues at all, which would be sweetness. As it's running the setup right now. This is the first time I am running Windows 8 on an AMD machine. This is going to be hardcore. On an old HP, no less. So let's see what happens when I do this. After it's done copying Windows files, it will get files ready for install. And then we'll be ready to do so. Getting files ready. Here we go. 1%. As you guys can tell, the Belkin wireless adapter is still running and fully functional. I may need to reinstall the driver before I activate it, but that probably is going to happen very soon. I pretty much got Windows 8, so cross fingers, hopefully it will work. And this is Windows 8 Pro as well, so you guys are in for a real big treat. Upgrading from Windows 7 Ultimate to Windows 8 Pro. This is going to be slick. The setup install looks a little bit different because it's all purple and stuff right now. So, yeah, I am kind of nervous on how this is going to work because I've never installed this before, so we'll see what happens. And I'm installing this over the Windows 7 install. The difference with Windows 8 is you have to install it over Windows 7. You can't just pop the disk in and install it as is. You have to install it over Windows 7, and then it will begin the process and stuff. So it is installing now, or getting files ready for installation, installing features, installing updates, and then finishing up. So in a little while, well, it's gonna prompt me to restart, so it will need my assistance. Bye bye, Windows 7. You were great. I'm kinda gonna miss it. So we'll see if it finishes on its own. We hit the F2 for safety and for good luck as we come back into Windows 8 and finishing setup. So let's see what happens here. Windows 8. Here we go. Alright, here we go. we go. The disk is firing up to finish the installation. Okay. Surprisingly or not, this is actually probably going to finish. We don't know what it's going to do. Oh, installing Windows. So this bad boy can handle it. I see. I already got 2 gigabytes of RAM in this sucker, so it's going to work. So it's getting the installation files and everything ready. Slick. So when we come back, we'll have a fully installable or a fully installed OS. Hopefully. 28%. Documenting this whole entire thing here. And now the Belkin wireless adapter does not work anymore because we're not booting up into, or we're not, should I say, using wireless. The activation will come soon after because it comes into 2 steps into activating Windows. So this is going to be in 2 steps. So anyways, 33%. Some people will say, why are you running Windows 8? Well, there's a legitimate reason. I want to try something different, basically. And to try something different, I basically have to install a different OS. Now this is 32-bit, so it meets the same requirements as Windows 7. So my hands are shaking because I'm getting excited. I'm getting really excited. So we are installing Windows 8 32-bit Pro. So, and if I don't like Windows, if I don't like Windows 8, I still have Windows 7 to fall back on. I still have Windows 7 Ultimate 32-bit to fall back on. So odds are it is working, and it's not going to be a broken install. So I'm getting excited. I'm getting very excited. My legs are twitchy. So I'm getting very, very excited. This is going to be very awesome. This is going to be a Windows 8 machine. I can't believe it. And believe it or not, I have 2 gigabytes of RAM installed on this sucker, and surprisingly, it will probably work very well. The CPU is a AMD Athlon 64X2 3800X. 2 gigahertz processor, so it should have more than enough capability to run Windows 8. NVIDIA GeForce graphics. So yeah, it should have more than enough to run. After installing Windows 8, I have to install the Belkin wireless driver because that is recommended, and I need to do that. So after Windows 8 is finished and done. Last time I tried Windows 8 was during trial and error in VMware, or virtual PC from Microsoft. Um, I actually liked it, to tell you the truth. I mean, some people may not like it. Some people may think Windows 8 is a pain in the ass. I like it. It's really awesome. So I'm installing Windows 8, and I downloaded this, and I'm actually installing it now. And this is the only Windows 8 running. This is going to be the only Windows 8 running machine that I'll have. I might get my dad's laptop sooner or later on Windows 8, but that's for another day. Looks like we're finishing up. Restarting in 10 seconds. The BIOS screen for HP. Wait for the hard drive to catch on. There's Windows 8. I can't believe this is actually happening. It's actually got, it literally has the requirements to run Windows 8. Hard drive is kicking on now. The first initial boot up does take a while. So don't expect that it's going to take well, that was quick. Okay. Alright. We're not rolling back, so we're moving forward with this install. Okay, so we're in the process of finishing up. This is going to take a while. This is taking a while. Ah, getting devices ready. Oh, yes. Oh, boy. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. This is going to be awesome. Okay. Waiting again. This is going to be a whole entire waiting game. We're just waiting on this here. I know I actually said I wouldn't do Windows 8, but hell, I'm giving it a shot. I have the activation for it, so This is standard Windows 8. This ain't 8.1, so. This is regular 8. Like 6 in the morning on a Sunday, and I'm all pumped up and ready to go here. I'm getting ready for the past couple minutes now. Still getting ready. Still getting ready. Wow, still getting ready. Anyways, guys, Microsoft Windows does not know what to do yet. Okay, I think I'll just stop this video and I'll wait a few minutes here.